Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix VHS tapes. So first, you need a VHS tape that's damaged. Can't really see it, but yeah, there is some tools you're going to need. You're going to need a small Phillips screwdriver, not too small, not too big. And you're going to need scissors. And you're going to need Scotch tape. So first, what you want to do with your tape, you're going to take your Phillips screwdriver and take out these 5 screws. Okay, so now that I have got all the screws out, you can see that. Sounds like my dog is scratching at my door, but anyway, 1 screw, 2 screws, 3 screws, 4 screws, 5 screws. Next, you're going to want to flip it over to the top and carefully take the top off. See that? Looks pretty strange, but now there is this. So, we're going to take these 2 things out. Now, we will go on one side. We're going to find the prettiest part on the tape. Right here, take your scissors, you cut that, and then you do the same thing with the other side. You gotta find the prettiest part and hold on. Cut that off. I gotta cut this off. Okay. And then this extra tape, the damaged tape, you just throw that in the trash. Next, here's the tricky part. Gotta put the 2 parts of the film strip on top of each other. And then you're going to make sure you cut that straight. And then, this is the tricky part. This is the trickiest. You take your Scotch tape, get a piece, a tiny piece. Now you're going to cut it small. You're going to line up the tape, the film strip. Okay, make sure you put the Scotch tape on the bottom. Never put it on the top. That can cause some damaging to the VCR. And you don't want to lose all of your favorite tapes. Like all your most favorite movies forever. Okay. Okay. see. Okay, let's. Okay, so always put the Scotch tape on the bottom of the film strip. Then you're gonna try to get them lined up. Together. And let's get it lined up. There we go. Now we're gonna do this. We're going to put the tape to where the Scotch tape is not at. Now we are going to put them back in the exact way you saw it. Sometimes it could get all twisted up, so you need to make sure that doesn't happen. Now I'm going to twist it like that. And now, we're going to take the top part. We're going to put it back on. Now, we are going to flip it back over. We're going to put all the screws back in. Okay, you have to make sure you do them tight, as tight as you can, until they stop, until the screws would stop spinning. Now, you're going to try to pull them apart to see if the screws are in tight enough. If it opens a tiny bit, you have to get them tighter. And, yeah. Now, you are ready to watch it. Again, it is all fixed. But if, it was stuck in the VCR, it's going to be a little bit trickier. With that happening, can't fix it and put it back into that VCR that you used. If it was stuck like that, you could still fix it, but you're going to have to never put it back in that VCR that made it stuck. So that is how you fix VHS tapes. helps. And I'll see you guys in the next video.